In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete OneDrive version history. So, let's jump right in and make this as simple as possible. To kick things off, you'll want to navigate to the Microsoft homepage. This portal is your gateway to all things Microsoft and the place where our journey begins. Once you're there, the next step is to sign in. You should be able to spot the sign in button easily, and it's your key to accessing your personal Microsoft ecosystem. When you click on Sign In, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure to use the email you created your Microsoft account with. If you're someone like me who uses multiple email accounts for different purposes, it's crucial to use the one associated with your OneDrive account. After entering your email, go ahead and click Next. You're then going to be asked for your password. Type that in, keeping in mind that this information is what keeps your account secure, so be sure you're entering it in a safe environment. Once that's done, hit Next again. You might come across a prompt asking if you'd like the browser to keep you signed in. If you're on your personal computer and appreciate the convenience, clicking Yes can save you time in the future. However, on a shared or public computer, it might be best to skip that part. Now that you're signed into your Microsoft account, let's move towards OneDrive. Find the All Microsoft button, which will reveal a list of all Microsoft services available to you. From this list, select OneDrive, which is Microsoft's cloud storage service. Here, you can store your files and access them from virtually anywhere. After selecting OneDrive, you might need to sign in again. Yes, it can be a bit repetitive, but it's all about keeping your data secure. Once inside OneDrive, head to the Home section to access your main dashboard. Here you'll find all your files and folders neatly organized. To tackle our task, click on My Files to view all the documents you've stored in OneDrive. Navigate through your files until you find the one containing the version history you'd like to delete. Once you've found the file, look for the three-dot icon, also known as the More option, next to the file in question, and give it a click. This will open up a menu with several options related to the file. In this menu, locate and select Version History. This is where you can see all the saved versions of your document. Each version represents a different saved state of the document, capturing edits and modifications made over time. Review this list of versions. It's like taking a quick trip back in time through the life cycle of your document. To delete a specific version, simply choose it from the list and confirm your action. And just like that, you've managed to navigate through Microsoft's portals to delete a version history from your OneDrive. Remember, managing your digital files helps in keeping things organized and ensures that your digital footprint aligns with your current needs and privacy concerns. Don't forget, regular housekeeping of your digital files is a great habit to maintain. Whether it's version histories, unnecessary files, or outdated documents, a clean workspace can contribute to a clear mind and efficient workflow. I hope you found this guide helpful and stay tuned for more tips and tricks on managing your digital life with ease and security.